Well, this is our seedlings coming up. We have corn and black-eyed peas and sweet peas, squash, okra, carrots, cucumbers, parsley, peppers, green beans, onion, pinto beans. We just planted these the other day. They're coming up. We got to get them transplanted soon. Tomatoes, black-eyed peas. I think I said that already. Ooh, the sweet peas are going crazy. Okay, these 4 need dirt. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 do not need dirt, but they need a little more cleaning. I did a lot of it today. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one needs rocks and 2 bags of dirt. These are ready to go mostly. I need to clean them out a little bit more. This one and that one. Clean the grass and roots out. This one's good to go, ready to plant. This is a pile of collard greens and cauliflower all dug out and piled up there. This is where that one empty blue barrel back there, this is where I turned it upside down. It was full of, it had dirt and rocks in it, but it also had eggshells, coffee grounds, and banana peels. That could be pretty good dirt, but kind of have to sort it out. And back over here, gonna go back to the potato bucket. Chicken tractor. Water barrels with water. And this is where I dumped the potato dirt from the 2 containers we were growing potatoes in.